guys, if you're not here, no video Wednesday, I am releasing this ladybird knife. So, me and my mum found in this packet of leaves. This little ladybird. There's a little ladybird right there. So, let's get started. Right, guys, I've opened the packet. So, should be coming out any minute now. Literally any minute now. Guys, I'm shivering right now, literally. It's really cold. Come on, little ladybird. Well, guys, sorry I've been uploading at the moment. I will see more uploading, okay? So, I'm just going to leave it on the ground for a minute. See when he comes out. See you guys then. There he goes! Right, he's gone. Yeah. I am shivering right now, like I said before, so I'm gonna go back inside and end this video. But first, please like and subscribe and comment down below. And guys, see you all next time. Goodbye.